Starla SOULMATE drawing app. So here is the app called the Universe, guidance that feels personal, powered by real NASA data and interpreted through expert systems. Starla helps you understand your inner world, your relationships, and your timing so you can move through life with more clarity and confidence. Whether you're navigating low, reflecting on a dream, or just want to know how your day is looking, Starla gives you answers that feel real. Relationship advice, tools to explore compatibility, daily readings, a place to decode your dreams and reflect on your growth. So yeah, that's the idea. Move through life, see what's really going on. You then fully decode it. Ask about time, anything, dream patterns, daily pools. So here you can just open it up, and then here is the app. There is a pro subscription which is like $15 per month, and then there are a bunch of features like find your soulmate. So you can just find your soulmate, like your possible partner, depending on your compatibility score. Um and then you can just unlock full birth chart and compatibility if you wanna with the monthly plan with the upgrade. So this seems to be quite a cool feature. It's quite limited on the free plan, but it's going viral on TikTok, and this is just where you can try it out. Uh, so that's what it is. But also you have here tarot reading, ask you anything, kind of like chat GPT for astrology, daily horoscope, dream interpreter, romantic advice, friend advice, personal growth, and then that's your account in here. So that's what you can do, and that's how you can chat. Uh, and then, for example, and then you can just find compatibility this way. So um, that's the idea.